Hi, I'm Laetitia Maklouf, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about my top 5 houseplants to give as gifts. The first plant I want to show you is the Streptococcus Cape Primrose, which produces these unique trumpet-shaped flowers, and they look a little bit like pansies. These make wonderful presents because they continue to produce beautiful flowers for months on end, adding colour to your home over the autumn and winter months. They're also very easy to propagate and relatively cheap to buy. Streptococcus need a decent amount of light, around 10 to 12 hours per day, and they prefer to be indoors because they're sensitive to frost. The next plant on my list is Piglia woodii, which goes by so many names, including Rosary Vine, Chain of Hearts, Hearts on a String, you get the idea. This succulent vine is covered with these gorgeous speckled heart-shaped leaves, and it's got lantern-shaped pink and purple tubular flowers. They make amazing addition to your living room or office in hanging baskets or on shelves. Make sure they're placed in a well-lit position in the house because insufficient lighting will produce pale green leaves rather than these wonderful speckled shades. Thirdly, we have Pilea peperomioides, more commonly known as the Chinese money plant. Now this one has taken the houseplant world by storm in the last couple of years, especially on social media. It's become the houseplant on everybody's wish list. These bright green, pancake-shaped leaves and pinkish stems look great against a white wall. Now what makes this plant so special, besides its great looks, is that it's so easy to propagate. So its babies can be passed on to friends, making it the gift that really does keep on giving. Piglia love a little bit of humidity in the house, so make sure you mist it when it looks a bit dry and put it in a spot where it's not going to get too cold. Another easy to look after houseplant is Devillier fejeensis, the rabbit foot fern. It takes its name from these bit scary but also quite cute looking furry rhizomes that you can see creeping down over the sides of the pot. Now these are absolutely ideal in hanging baskets or shallow pots where the rhizomes are on show. This is another plant that requires humidity to stop it looking sad, so I recommend misting your fern gently every day. Finally, we have Pelargoniums. This is a scented leaf pelargonium called Attar of Roses. Now these make absolutely beautiful gifts because when you rub the leaves, they give off this most intoxicating scent. And that is hugely welcome in the winter months. This one, when it's in flower, has pink flowers, and you can get scented leaf pelargoniums in a vast array of fragrances, ranging from spicy to sweet, peppermint, rose, lemon, apples, that's to name just a few. You can even get Coca-Cola scented plants. The rosy lemony ones especially can be used in cooking to add an extra level of lovely to jams, compotes, cakes and cocktails. And the lemon version, Queen of Lemons, can even be used in gin and tonic if that is your tipple. You'll have to remember to deadhead these regularly to encourage new flowers. Thank you for watching my top 5 houseplants. Which ones will you be giving as gifts this Christmas? Do leave your comments below.